Good morning to you all. We are very happy to be here. Just to be sure, this is Ronald, and my name is Irene. Let me start by saying I'm not an IT person, so I will not talk tech. I will take the customer point of view, because I like to think about how can we make things easier for our clients, and how can we make sure that we add value as an insurance company or as an insurance industry in general. Now, what does it mean to add value in insurances? I think for every financial product, it means minimum effort and maximum output, because nobody likes doing it. So why is that so difficult? I guess we all know, we are all in this industry, that complexity and insurances are somewhat synonyms, or they have been, I should say, because digitization is changing that part of the industry. If you do it right, digitization can do for your company what Uber did to the taxi industry or what Google did to the internet. With our platform, we offer a fully digital customer experience for you, for your company, but mainly for your client. We will show you today by using the example of Outshared, a company that was built completely on our platform. When I talk digital customer experience, it means online quoting within 1 minute, personal pricing as dynamic as possible, and online claims. Not only the notification of the claim, but the complete assessment and the complete process that you can track and trace online. With Outshared, this is exactly what we offer. We offer, let's say, a digital insurer in a box, and one that has proven to result in the highest client satisfaction and the lowest cost. We have 3 ways to show you. And we've got some demos that show you how it actually works. So let's start with online quotation. As you will see here, in 5 to 7 questions, you get your personal quote. That doesn't mean that you only use these 5 data points that you get from your clients. The system is built in such a way that you get the additional information through APIs from data sources that are available in your country. So that means the client has a minimum effort to take, whereas you as a company are able to give a healthy pricing and a healthy offering to your client. The second example is the maintenance, let's say, of your policy. So whenever I am a client, whenever I want to change something, I just log into the policy map, I change what must be changed, and it's done. It's immediately changed everywhere. And the moment it has an impact on your premium, it is automatically changed in your invoice for the coming period. Also, in case of customer contact, it's very easy to contact the company due to using all kinds of digital channels. Think of live chat, think of email, but also the social media. And in case you prefer to have a call center, again, through an API, you can also add a call center functionality and portal to the platform. Now, the third one is about claims. We have a demo also showing how making a claim works. As you will see here, making a claim basically means answering a number of personalized questions that relate to what happened. So it doesn't have to do with the product. We just ask what happened. And then the company can find out what it is all about. So what you will see here is the client actually making a claim for a hail and explaining what happened, when it happened, etc. In the background, of course, there are a lot of business rules that relate to the terms and conditions that give one black and white answer after this whole set of questions has been filled in. You're covered or you're not covered. Now, you can imagine that that's the biggest chunk of work that we had to do to make this fully digital. But it has the big advantage to customers. The moment they fill in the claim, they know whether it's covered or not. And if they want to track and trace during the process, they can simply log into their policy map and they can see everything that happened. Now, filling in everything means also confronting clients with the consequences of this claim. So let's say they make the claim. What does it mean for next year's premium? What does it mean for you as a client? And then you can decide whether or not you actually want to make the claim. What you see here, the final part, is the automatic connection to the Bodyshop agenda, because the moment you made the claim, you need to go to the garage to get the car repaired. It is again through an API that you can get access to the agenda of the Bodyshop. You go there, they have all the information, and it's settled. This is the first completely straight-through claims process, for which we won an award also, because now claims can be handled without any hands involved.
Right. So now I'm Ronald, this is Irene. I try to continue now. Irene just showed and explained to you the customer experience of the digital insurance brand Outshared. Well, Outshared is running over the platform of Outshared. Outshared, Outshared. And they do that with just 35 FTEs, and they cover and handle about, well, hundreds of thousands of policies. Well, today, and I don't think this is very strange to you, traditional insurance companies face an enormous challenge. How to digitize their operation. How to do that, where to start. How to attract and convert the more and more digital-enabled customers. But also, how to keep control of this IT cost, this organizational cost. Low cost is key. Speed, flexibility is key, but also profitable customer growth is key. And I think today's buzzword is being agile. I will not use it so many times, but I think you will hear it quite some time today. Just give me a few minutes to explain you the benefits of the Outshared platform and to show you it from an insurance company point of view. Well, first, you don't need a complex IT organization or complex IT infrastructure. You need good business people, good actuarial goals. The platform of Outshared from beginning till end, I mean from quotation to policy into the policy administration and all the integrated service channels, and last but not least also the claims notification and handling. This is all done from one single point of truth, one chain, total chain. This means it's more easy for business people to do it instead of do everything through IT. The thing is that if you do this by that way, you save time, you save people, and in the end, you save money. And that's actually what the best focus for the insurance companies would be, to concentrate and to focus on what they can do best and build a profitable insurance company. Well, second is short time to market. Many people here in this building, and I've experienced in the past myself also, to create a product, it can take months, maybe even years. Within the platform of Outshared, you can create products in just days. And we have examples that we created the auto car insurance product in just 2 weeks, from beginning to end. Meaning digitalizing all the terms and conditions, the quotation, the pricing, the customer data in just 2 weeks. You can do that also from a business perspective, meaning business people can control through the control portal, which is into the platform, to change extra covers, add extra covers, but also change the prices. Dynamic pricing is an issue. You hear it quite some time. Business people, well, maybe not the business people, this is a little bit scary, but the actuary people can change the prices on the fly as many times as they want. So gone are the long term and the lengthy processes of releases. You know that. Third is how to attract and convert profitable customers. Through the marketing portal of the platform, you can decide which groups of people you can give different prices or different coverages. Give an example. If there's a prospect coming to your site, you give a price, you quote that, that's normal. But if you could identify this prospect as a returning prospect, you could give him, her, a different price, a different coverage, or maybe a different incentive. And all this just to convert and to increase your profitable customer base. Fourth, last but not least, I already mentioned before, we saw an example from customer perspective, it's the online claims notification as a seamless operation. 60% of all the claims can be done straight through, meaning from announcing the claim till seeing covered or not covered and even paid into the account of the customer, it can be done 60% without any hands involved, straight through processing. This is also good for a customer because it means it will not be returning calls from customers asking, what's the status of my claim? Did you pay already? The customer can see it by himself in the track and trace information they get. So it's increased customer satisfaction, and on the other also lower their costs. That's what we're for, of course. For the more complex claims, there's the claims portal integrated into the platform, and employees, like the claims handlers and claims adjusters, can see exactly what the customer sees and more. Also, the the information about... Okay, good. The good thing for the platform is we can help you to digitize your business, meaning to kickstart your digital business. We did it with proven cases like Outshared before, and we can do it for you. In short, if you want to set up a new greenfield insurance company or to migrate a non-performing portfolio, we can help you. The Outshared has the skills, the platform, and the team to create and to kickstart your digital business. Thank you very much for your attention. We're there at the booth, but you can visit also us on Outshared, and I hope you have a great day and a day tomorrow as well. Thank you.